Dear students, today in this video we are going to talk about chapter 12 of geography, and the name of the chapter is the structure of the earth. In this video we will talk about the internal structure of the earth. We will talk about how many layers are there inside the earth, what are the different characteristics of the earth's layer, and what materials are found in different layers of the earth. So let's begin the video. Actually students, our earth came into existence before 4 to 5 billion years ago. It was formed by the cooling down of ice and dust particles that was present in our space. When we study, we usually categorize the structure of the earth in 3 different layers, and these layers are crust, mantle and core. The outermost layer is known as crust, the middle layer is mantle and the innermost layer is core. The outermost layer is also known as lithosphere. The deepness of this layer is varies from 8 to 50 kilometer. It depends upon the area to area. It may be 8 kilometer thin or it may be 50 kilometer deep. It depends upon the plateaus, plains or ocean or other relief features. Like in the picture we can see that the maximum depth of the outermost crust is 50 kilometer on the continental areas, and the minimum depth is on the oceanic layer, like where ocean and seas are there. We see the depth of the outermost crust is very much low. So here it can be only 8 to 15 kilometer deep, but in the oceanic areas it may be 35 to 50 kilometer deep. The second layer is mantle. The mantle is the middle layer and it is also known as mesosphere. This is known as mesosphere. Its depth or thickness is around 2900 kilometer, and the last one is core. It is the innermost layer and it is also known as barysphere. So these different layers have different characteristics, different temperatures and different materials are found in these layers. So हम one by one देखते हैं. ये जो हमारी आउटर मोस्ट क्रस्ट है, इसकी डीपनेस जो है 8 to 50 किलोमीटर है, डिपेंड अपॉन एरिया टू एरिया. ओके, इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ रॉक्स. What is the meaning of rock? Rock is made up of different minerals. And what is minerals? Minerals are the naturally occurring inorganic substance in which one or more element is present. Minerals have distinct structure, distinct chemical and physical properties. So under the crust there are mantle. Its thickness is 2900 kilometer. And its temperature is very much high, around 2400 degrees Celsius. The outer layer of the mantle is only 890 degrees Celsius, and inner layer is the temperature of the inner layer is around 2400 degrees Celsius. The materials that are present in the outer layer of the mantle is in semi-solid form, and this semi-solid form is known as magma. Magma is made up of different minerals and rock particles in a liquid form, and these magma comes out of the surface of the earth during the volcanic eruptions. And the last innermost layer is core. This is core. Its thickness or its depth is around 3500 kilometer, and the temperature is most or very much high than all the other layers, and it is around 3000 degrees Celsius to 6000 degrees Celsius. On the outer layer of the core it is around 3000 degrees Celsius, and the innermost area here the temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. Okay, so these layers have different compositions and different characteristics. In continental crust there are usually 2 minerals found, that is silicon plus aluminum. That is why it is also known as Sial. We say silicon and aluminum combine to form Sial, and these are the most abundant minerals that are found in the continental crust. In oceanic crust there are silicon plus magnesium. So we combinedly say SiMa. Silicon and magnesium are the most abundant minerals that are found on the oceanic crust. In the mantle, we found silicon, iron and magnesium in most quantity. So mostly we found silicon, iron and magnesium in the mantle, and these are almost in the molten form. The outer layer is in semi-solid and it is known as asthenosphere. What is asthenosphere? Asthenosphere means the outer layer of the mantle where the materials are in the semi-solid form, and this is known as mantle. The outermost asthenosphere and crust usually combine to known as lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere means crust plus outermost mantle. Crust plus outermost mantle known as lithosphere. And now move to the innermost layer, core. Core, the temperature is very much high, all the things are in molten form, and the material that are mostly present are nickel and iron. Here in the mantle we see silicon, iron, magnesium, but in the core usually nickel and iron are present. This presence of nickel and iron gives the magnetic field to our earth. As we all know, our earth has two poles, north and south pole, due to its magnetic field, because our earth generates magnetic field, and this magnetic field comes from the nickel and iron which is present inside the center of the earth. Okay, so these are all about the structure of the earth.